First of all, let's turn on the base map. We have the world imagery base map here. Then we will create a polygon feature for our study area here and draw the study area. Let's do that. Go to catalog and within the database in our myproject.gdb, that means geodatabase, let's create a new feature class and we will name it as study area. This will be polygon shapefile. And next we will keep it as WGS 1984. Then next and finish. Our study area as it is added to our map. Now let's draw the study area. To do that, select the study area and then go to edit and then create and select the study area in the create feature pane and let's select the polygon, create a polygon feature. Now we can draw a polygon for our study area, clicking on the map and creating vertices. If you want to make the polygon by streaming the line so that you can make it faster, you can press F8 key in your keyboard and draw a streamed line there. And when you are done, just press F2 key on your keyboard and it is finished. And click on this check mark. Our study area is finished now. Let's save it and make the symbology transparent. Let's make it red color so that it will be easily visible. Let's clear the selection to see the effect. Now we have the study area